What if there is an incredible source of energy sleeping deep within you? A force that ancient yogis believed could awaken higher awareness, inner peace, and spiritual transformation. This mysterious energy is called Kundalini. But what exactly is it, and why has it fascinated spiritual seekers for thousands of years? Let's explore. According to the ancient yogic tradition, Kundalini is a dormant spiritual energy resting at the base of the spine. It is often symbolized as a coiled serpent, peacefully sleeping until the right time. When awakened through sincere spiritual practice, this energy is said to rise through the 7 chakras, transforming the body, mind, and consciousness. The purpose of Kundalini is not to gain supernatural powers, but to awaken your true nature and help you realize your highest spiritual potential. The path to Kundalini awakening is not about shortcuts or instant results,
and a disciplined lifestyle. Spiritual masters repeatedly remind us that forcing Kundalini through extreme techniques can be harmful. Instead, they encourage patience, humility, and inner purification. As your awareness expands and your mind becomes calm, Kundalini is believed to awaken at the right time. Many people wonder what Kundalini awakening feels like. The truth is that every person's experience is unique. Some practitioners describe a deep sense of peace, unconditional love, heightened awareness, and a profound connection with life. Others report gentle sensations, such as warmth, vibrations, or a feeling of energy moving along the spine. However, these experiences are not the goal, nor do they prove that Kundalini has awakened. The greatest sign of genuine spiritual growth is becoming more compassionate, more mindful, less attached to fear and anger, and more present in everyday life.
Kundalini reminds us that the greatest journey is not outward, but inward. Instead of chasing mystical experiences, focus on building a peaceful mind, a healthy body, and a loving heart. Meditate regularly, breathe consciously, practice kindness, and remain humble. The wisdom of yoga teaches that when the student is truly prepared, the awakening happens naturally. There is no need to rush. Every moment of sincere practice brings you one step closer to your highest self. Thank you for watching. If this video inspired you, please like, subscribe, and share to support the channel. And join us for more videos on spirituality, meditation, yoga, and self-discovery.
Remember, the greatest power you will ever discover is the one already within you. Namaste.